5 foods that make you feel fuller for longer too. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts are packed full of healthy unsaturated fats. A healthy body needs fat, and the fats in nuts are just what you are looking for. On a per-calorie basis, nuts and nut butters are extremely rich in fiber and protein. What are the 2 leading natural components that make you feel fuller longer? You guessed it, fiber and protein. Just don't eat too many nuts or too much nut butter at one sitting. Those healthy fats are in a very high quantity in nuts and should not be overconsumed. So, reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts the next time you are stuck between meals and craving something to eat. The heart-healthy nature of nuts is just a wonderful side benefit of this versatile and tasty raw food. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Repeat after me, cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli and cauliflower belong to the cruciferous family. Cabbage, kale, collard greens and horseradish are also a part of this healthy vegetable subdivision. They deliver extremely high levels of healthy dietary fiber. As with other filling foods on this list, they are relatively inexpensive and extremely versatile, with most of them capable of being consumed raw or cooked. The antioxidants and cancer-fighting ingredients in cruciferous foods are also worthy of note, and just another reason you need to be getting more of these healthy whole foods into your diet. Water. Okay, so water is not a food. We have to mention it anyway, because it is usually free or inexpensive, readily available, and is definitely required by the human body for proper maintenance and health. Did you know that the symptoms of thirst mimic those of hunger? That's right, so the next time you believe that you are hungry, drink 8 to 12 ounces of water. Give your body 10 minutes to process that liquid and see how you feel then. You may truly be hungry. But the cranky mood, low energy and lack of ability to focus that often signals you are hungry may simply be telling you your body needs more liquids. Oh yeah, another big benefit of drinking water instead of eating anything? 0 calories. Salmon, anchovies, and tuna. Fish helps you feel fuller longer while consuming fewer calories in a number of ways. First off, any type of fat will always help satisfy your hunger pangs. The types of fats found in high quantities in fish are essential fatty acids. Omega-3 EPAs are required by your body to function properly. Unfortunately, the human process does not create this healthy fat. You need to get it from outside sources, and fish like tuna and salmon have high levels of omega-3s. That healthy fat makes you feel fuller longer, so you eat fewer calories during a fish-filled meal, as well as the rest of the day. Also, fish is packed full of wonderful protein. You have already seen earlier that protein satisfies hunger better than carbohydrates and fats. As if that is not good enough news, ocean-caught salmon, anchovies and tuna are heart-healthy foods as well. Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries and other berries. Most berries are extremely high in wonderful antioxidants that fight dangerous free radicals in your body. They are also extremely heart-healthy and deliver high levels of phytonutrients, minerals and vitamins that promote overall body health, inside and out. Your immunity system receives a huge boost when you eat berries regularly. This means that your natural defense system is much better prepared to ward off infections, disease and sickness. It also means that you recover from injuries and sickness quickly. Berries contribute a very small number of calories considering the amount of filling fiber they deliver. Just 1 cup of raspberries offers a full 8 grams of fiber. Protein is the most satisfying type of food. More than carbohydrates and fats, protein satisfies your hunger more effectively than any other type of food. And guess what? Researchers are not even quite sure why protein acts like a stop sign, signaling your mind to stop eating. But it does, so make sure that you are getting the recommended 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight, about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram, every day. And don't forget filling, healthy digestive tract regulating fiber. The modern-day diet is desperately lacking in dietary fiber. Foods like the brands, grains and oats listed above do a great job of delivering protein and dietary fiber, while limiting the amount of carbohydrates and calories you consume. To summarize, for a solution to burning fat, losing weight and maintaining a healthy body weight, eat foods high in fiber and/or protein. They have extremely high satiety index scores, which is a fancy way of saying they are healthy foods that make you feel fuller longer.